Hello and welcome to this short screencast about Banjo. There's been a number of improvements since the last screencast, so I want to go through and show those to you. So let's say you've been tasked with the job of retheming plone.org. And let's just start with this what is plone page. Let's say you don't have a whole lot of time, so you have to go out and find an existing template. Hopping over to the CSS template heaven, browse around. Let's check out this one. This looks pretty good. Let's look at the demo. Okay, so it doesn't exactly look like plone.org, but just for the purposes of this example, we're going to try this one out. So when you first fire up Banjo, now you have these two panes. This is your source pane, and this is your destination pane. And the interface has gotten a lot simpler now. So basically, you point and click on elements on the plone side that you want to map to elements in your theme. And this is just a standard HTML CSS theme. There's nothing plone specific about this. So let's get started. So first thing we'll do is take this what is plone, and we're going to, this is just a visual issue right now we're trying to fix. So you click on that, and then you click on the element over here that you want to map it to. And instantly it updates to show you a preview of what you've mapped. And instead of saying by Dieter Schneider here, let's say by Alexander Lemy. We click that, and we'll map that one over. And now we want to replace these navigational elements here with the nav that plone provides. So we'll take that and map that. Okay, and we'll take the body content here, so this whole area, and we're going to map that to this area. Okay, this little menu over here, let's just say for purposes of this example that we want to make it the same as this menu up here. So we once again select this area and click over here. And last but not least, we don't want to forget about the footer. Click on that and click down here. And it's looking pretty good. We've got our footer, we've got navigation, we've got the main content. Now what's interesting about this is we've done a mapping that's kind of generic for it's not just for this what is plone page, but it works on other pages on the site as well. So if I refresh this page here. Okay, so now I see my page, and if I click on support, for example, I now am looking at the support page. If I click on Plone Foundation, I'm looking at the foundation page, and so on. So with about 30 seconds, I've just taken content from Plone and mapped it into an arbitrary theme that I found on the internet. And if you know anything about Deliverance, which is powering this on the back end, there's a rules file that automatically gets generated every time you do a mapping. If we refresh this, you can see these are the rules that were generated to do this mapping. And that's about it. Hope you've enjoyed this screencast and would love to get your feedback. Thanks.